Ryobi stays on the forefront of innovation, and this time they are doing it just the same. For immediate release, Ryobi introduces a new USB lithium recreation solution. Now look at that verbiage. Now when we take a look at this picture, you're going to see a clamp on fan, but you're going to see something coming out of the middle of it. I think we all know what that is. He's holding a bottle of water. There's a mist. So it's a USB misting clamp fan. How many more things can we get out of these clamps and USBs? That is something that I'm talking about. Now, if we take a look right here, the lady spraying her baby with that water and a fan. So you're going to keep that baby not only clean because it's getting a shower on the go, but it's going to stay cool at the same time. But seriously, if you're down in the south, you know it gets crazy hot. You need to cool off, and that's exactly what this is doing. But if we take a closer look right here, you can see where it mist coming out of there. Now, one of the things is I don't see a tube. Nothing that's going to pick up the water, any type of pickup tube. As you can see, this is where you put your battery in. But if we go down a little bit further, we're going to talk about that. We're going to come back to it. This is model number FVF55K, as in Kelvin. And this is USB lithium misting fan kit. It's going to cost you $50. And it feels up to 10 degrees cooler with 7 hours of runtime. The all-new USB lithium misting fan is the ultimate portable misting cooling solution. Fill the onboard, there you go, onboard 2-ounce water tank and feel up to 10 degrees cooler with a fine mist. This fan provides powerful airflow with 2 fan speeds reaching up to 100 CFM, cubic feet per minute, which can keep users cool up to 7 hours using the included FVB02 battery. Now, with all that being said, they're just innovating, and that's what you want to see, because you're not going to see this anywhere else. Not like this, at least. You're going to see variations, but you're not going to see this. Now, with all of this, and we reflect upon what they're showing us here, I do have to say that I'm impressed. I love these little things that they just come out with. What do you think? Is it something that you're going to buy within your range? Are you going to invest in it? My name is Brent. This is None the Wiser. I can't wait to see you all in the next video. We have more tool reviews coming out and a lot of new tools as well. Take care.